about 10 minutes after 3 West Coast time on Saturday, April 12th. Yesterday, which means it's about 10 minutes after 6 p.m. East Coast time. The Trump administration missed their deadline today, 5 p.m. East Coast time, to inform Federal Judge Zinnes in Maryland as to the whereabouts of Kilmar Abrego Garcia, the Maryland father who was wrongfully sent to a prison in El Salvador on March 15th. There was a very contentious hearing yesterday, and as part of that order that came out of that hearing, because the attorney for the Department of Justice, Drew Ensign, was being so evasive in responding or not responding to the judge's direct questions, the judge ordered the DOJ to provide daily updates to her court each day at 5 p.m., including Saturday and Sunday, as to where Mr. Garcia is and what steps the government has taken to secure his return. Their first deadline to do so was about an hour and 10 minutes ago, and they missed that deadline. During the hearing, the judge asked Mr. Ensign, the attorney for the DOJ, "I'm asking a very simple question. Where is he?" "I don't have that information, Your Honor," he said. The hearing continued in that fashion. They blew their deadline, and that was ordered. That deadline was an order from a federal judge, and the DOJ providing this information to the judge was an order from the federal judge. Where is he, and what steps have you taken to get him back to U.S. soil? It's unclear at this moment why the Trump administration, the DOJ, missed that 5 p.m. deadline an hour and 10 minutes ago. Is it an overt act of screw you? Is it they didn't have the information? They don't know the answer to that question since he's been in El Salvador since March 15th? Is it possible that they've not been able to find out whether or not he's still at this prison for terrorists in El Salvador? We don't know. We don't know if Mr. Abrego Garcia is alive or dead. We don't know his condition. We don't know his location. We don't know anything about what the Department of Justice and the Trump administration have done to return him here to the United States. But we do have a unanimous Supreme Court decision that we got on Friday ordering the Trump administration to facilitate this man's return. And yeah, I doubt we're going to find out much more over the weekend. Judge Zinnes, she has set a follow-up hearing for Tuesday, I believe Tuesday morning. And if they miss all 3 deadlines, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, before that hearing, this is why I wish that federal court proceedings permitted cameras and could be televised, because that's going to be quite a hearing.